I'm Vincent Lau. I'm a certified prosthetist orthotist with Limb Lab here in Omaha, Nebraska. Today we're doing a clinic with Levitate.
I'm Luke Lish. This is my first time on a blade. I just did 3 laps around this gym. The first thing I noticed is the energy return is fantastic. I'm way more efficient at running. It's pretty exciting.
I've only had one foot in the past, so this is the first time I've tried a new foot, and I really like it. It's, you know, it's got a good amount of cushioning, good amount of rebound. I just think it'd be a great daily foot to have.
It doesn't feel like I'm exerting and carrying the weight. It feels like it rolls over a lot easier. Yeah, this does feel good. Is that the forever foot that you have on now, or is that your regular foot?
This is the forever foot. Let's take a little stroll.
Yeah.
Now you're not fighting
Right.
that toe.
Yeah, that feels way better.
Come on in.
All right. Because I know what the other one feels like. Oh yeah, lighter.
Felt good to get up and jog a little bit, with assistance of course, but no, they're pretty cool. They're so lightweight.
Wow. Wow.
Look at you.
Oh, that's awesome.
We've had about a dozen amputees come out. It's just been awesome watching them get up and running on our blades and try our forever foot. Just tons of smiles and hugs, and it's just been a great day.